Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use the Loop Builder block with aBlocks, your ultimate tool to dynamically display posts, pages, products, or custom content in a fully customizable layout. First, open the website section where you want to show the Loop Builder content. In the block editor, search for Loop Builder block. Insert the aBlocks Loop Builder block into your desired section. Now you're ready to start designing your dynamic content layout. Once you've inserted the aBlocks Loop Builder block, the next step is to choose a template to start designing your loop layout. For this tutorial, we'll choose the normal loop. Let's move on to customizing it using the General Settings tab. Under the Query section, you'll find the Post Types drop-down. Here you can choose the type of content you want to display, such as post, page, product, coupon, theme, builder, course, announcement, lesson. Next, choose how you want your content to be sorted: newest to oldest, oldest to newest, AZZA. Next, you can define how many items should be shown per page. The offset setting helps skip a number of items from the top. Use the Categories and Tags drop-downs to only show posts or lessons that belong to specific categories or have certain tags. Now, let's style the appearance of each loop item using the Template Settings panel. Choose how many columns you want your loop to display. This controls the space between each loop item. Set a background color for each loop item. Add space inside the box between the content and the edges by padding. Under the Border section, you can design the outline of your loop items. Choose from styles like solid, dashed, or dotted. Define how thick the border should be for each side, top, right, bottom, and left. Select the color of your border. In Border Radius, you can control the roundness of the corners. You can also dynamically link each loop item by adding the post URL. And if you don't need the button, feel free to remove it. Once you've completed all your customizations, don't forget to click the Save button to apply your changes. Then, simply preview the page to see your beautiful, dynamic loop in action. That's it. You've successfully learned how to use the aBlocks Loop Builder block to create stunning, filterable content layouts, all inside Gutenberg, no code needed. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more powerful aBlocks tips. Thanks for watching, and happy building with aBlocks.